How to fix Descaling Cartridge Not Fitted on a Miele coffee machine. So here on the display, I'm just going to tap on the OK button to close that. Now we're going to open up the door and remove the tray right here. Okay, the Descaling cartridge is on the right hand side. The one on the left hand side is the cleaning cartridge. So you want to pull out that yellow lever right there, so pull it out. It doesn't come all the way out, so just pull it out and then remove the descale cleaner. So this is the old descale cleaner, you want to remove it, and we're just going to open up a new one. So I have already opened it before, so we're just going to take it out. So get it out of the bag, and then we're going to place it into the Miele coffee machine. Okay, so here I'll put it in. So make sure you put it in the right way and push it all the way up. It needs to go all the way up, so I'll push it in and up. You can see it's still dropping down, so you need to push it all the way up. And you need two hands. It's easy if you have two hands. One hand pushing up, the other one you push in that yellow lever to lock it in, like that. So you want to push up and then push it in to lock it into place. Okay, so once that is done, we can close the door, and on your display you can set it as a new cartridge. So here, tap on the new button. So tap on it, and that's it. So now you can go ahead and make your coffee. Thank you for watching this video.